through the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every show.
I know what I'm supposed to do when you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys, FL Alira. Samahan niyo po ako guys. I will be meeting my cousin. Let's go guys! Samahan niyo po ako. Tara, let's go! Already, so while hahanapin pa po natin siya, kung saan po siya, pasyal ko po muna kayo guys. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Gala ko po muna kayo. Ayan, sinong nakakamiss mag-arcade? Ayan guys, mag-arcade muna kayo ha. And here we go, my cousin. And of course, may nakita po akong mama dito na playing a piano. What? Yan, nakakatuwa po kasi pwede ka pong mag-play dyan if you know how to play piano. And here we go. Ayan na po yung magsa-celebrate ng birthday. Happy birthday, Bilog!
Hey, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Dino! Blow, 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 blow! Blow mo na, blow! Blow na dali! Blow na dali!
Happy birthday, Bilog! Happy 3 years! Old ka na. How what? Happy 3, Bilog. Ayan. Be a good girl. Ito na nga guys yung ulam guys. Ayan, may kare-kare. Ayan. Sarap-sarap yung kare-kare. So creamy and hindi tinipid sa sauce guys. Ang sarap ng kanilang kare-kare. Sarap niyan. And of course, they have yung lumpia, yung barbecue, and sinigang na hipo. Lahat po yan masarap. So good guys. So delicious. At syempre, meron din pong kinilaw. Sarap din yan. So good and spicy. Alam naman niya kasi, nahilig ako sa ganyan para balance po yung kinain. Even if there is pork and chicken, para makakabalance po. Alright! Ito nga pala yung kanilang Bicol Express. Napakasarap. And yung toppings ay ang sarap, napakadutong. And then, ang kanyang coconut milk, ang gata niya po na ginamit ay grabe. Napaka-creamy at hindi po siya watery, guys. Talagang so good, ang sarap-sarap. Grabe makasarap eh. So good. Alam mo yung feeling na mapapa-only rice ka. Pero hindi pwede kasi naka-platter po yan lahat. So, enough lang po yung rice. Yan, ito naman po ang kanilang chicken barbecue na hindi ko po natikman dahil alam nyo naman ang inyong lingkod ay maliit lang ang bodega sa tamin. So, yan. And there's crispy pata, guys. Ayan. So good, so crispy, of course. Kaya nga siya crispy pata. Joke! And hindi po maalat, not that salty. Just try po. So good. Tikim-tikim lang tayo. At muntik pang makalimutan, walang pansit. So, ayan. Meron pong pansit palabok. Siyempre, may birthday, kailangan may pansit para long life, di ba? Ayan, masarap din po yan. I like it. So good. Ang kanilang palabok. And ito na po yung hinihintay ng lahat. Kainan na! Ito po yung aking plate. Ito po yung aking plato. Sarap kumain, guys. And ito na nga. Ayan, first bite. Ayan, shout out po. Ayan yung kanilang pork barbecue. First bite. Ayan, syempre, tinikman din natin ang kanyang lumpia. So, ayan po. Tinikman ko po yung lumpia. Orat siya ng konti.
Look at the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back.
At ito na po yung kasama na dessert, buko pandan. Kasama na po yan sa order na platter. So, if you order po ng naka-platter, no need for you to worry for the dessert and the drinks. Yan, eating time na. And galit-galit muna kami dyan, guys. Kasi siyempre, eating time. Diba, alam mo naman. Seryoso dapat pag kumakain, guys. Joke only. Ayan, enjoy. Once again, happy birthday, Bilog. Happy birthday, Bilog!
stare in a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes.
Yan, syempre. Ayan, kuha muna tayo sa saglit guys, para naman masaya. Busy yan sila guys, kaya huwag mo yan silang intindi. Joke! It's dessert time! Kain tayo ng dessert guys. Hindi siya masyadong matamis, just right. And I like it. The buko pandan dessert. Ayan po yung itsura pag busog na guys. Joke on. Hindi tayo pang mag guys para lumaba yung kinain. It's paying time! Paying mode! Go Singkay, kaya mo yan. Yan po yung gusto ng kabataan ngayon guys, yogurt. Maasim na hindi mo maintindihan, pero sarap na sarap yan siya. Pinili niya yan sa labas guys. Ayan, thank you Alvin for taking care of us. Thank you Alvin, thank you so much. Ayan, bye-bye time na kay Jerry's Grill. At syempre, tapos na ang kainan. Ayan, lakad-lakad na tayo. Ayan. Picture, taking photo below. Ayan, pwede po kayo magpa-picture dyan. Play ng piano. Ayan, gulo-gulo na po namin dyan. Ayan. Masaya lang. Once again, thank you Kaz, Bing, and Singkay, and everyone. Thank you so much for the invite, and happy 3 Bilog. At di nawawala yan. Ikot muna tayo. Huwag kayong mahilo guys. Joke only. Kaya nuwian na yan sila. Nauna na yan sila guys kasi may agenda pa kaming mga. Alam niyo na yan. So, magpapababa tayo ng kinain natin. Ayan. Matcha lang po yung ininom natin dyan, of course. Thank you to my cousin Bing. Thank you. And thank you, basta. Thank you. Ayan. Tapos na tayong gumala. Tapos na tayong kumain. Tapos na tayong coffee. And all. So, it's time for us to go. Thank you, Kaz and Singkay.
Keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, can take it on my heart. keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to be updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Aliera here is signing off.